This is a quick review for these wool hiking socks made by ANTSANG, I think is how you say the name. They come in a set of 6. There's 70% made of wool. Yeah, nylon, spandex, and polyester make up the remaining percentage of them. I think the nylon and spandex is more up in the stretchy part up here for above the ankle and keeping them up. These are great. Our son is a little over 4 years old. This size is for 4 to 7 years old. He's in a size 11, 12 shoe, and they fit him great. I think they'll be able to last him for quite a while. This is actually our second set of these. They're so great. We just decided to buy another box, and he wears them all the time, hiking or not. They're his winter socks. They're just comfortable and warm. He doesn't complain about his feet being sweaty or anything. They're just overall just really comfortable. Colors are, there's a bit of a blue with a gray heels. There's a green with a gray heel. A couple grays. The grays are a little bit different with some red in them. Black with some gray and white, and then a kind of a matching dark blue with the gray bottoms. And each pair has a nice little mountain theme on each one of them, which is kind of cool for going on hikes. These are great. We have these same socks as adults. We have the men's and women's colors and variations and sizes. They're great overall.